What does purification does? It's a process. Basically, simple. That crystal that became with time dirty, if you want to use this word, foggy, you're cleaning it. Polishing it. And then it comes back to the original crystal, that the focus is, I am here as a Khalifa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am here as stewards on this earth. And we all are talking about it these days. How? And here also medicine comes in, subhanAllah. When you have a wound and the wound is infected, any kind of a wound, what is the first thing you do? You clean the wound. And then you remove anything in your surroundings that will make the wound infected again. And then you bring things that will help heal the wound. That's tazkiyah. That's purification. You bring back. The heart is wounded. Jealousy, backbiting, hate, no belief in Allah, all these things, right? And then I'm going to gradually remove it. Remove the harm. Remove the harm. The sin. Clean it. And basically, literally, I tell the sisters all the time, it's like you're cleaning a dish, you're washing a dish. The dish is your heart, and you're washing it. And if the dish is dirty, you're going to keep washing. Right? So here you go.